So what do you think you get if a Ego battery-powered ride-on mower and the most powerful handheld leaf blower had a baby? You get something strange like that. So this is not my first time building a leaf collector for the Ego Z6 battery-powered ride-on mower. In fact, last year I built a drag-behind leaf collector bag. It was a real cool project. There's a link to that right down below in the description. So I could see a lot of you out there saying, Andrew, why would you do this? And the answer is simple, because I could. And you know something? This is something Kitearmy does. We like to have fun. Now, what came as a surprise to me about this system is it actually worked really well. You'll see that throughout the video, and I can see companies actually building products just like this. Now, the reason why I chose to build a dual blower system is because I actually wanted the blowers to work in any direction that I mowed. So I really quickly want to go over how I built this Kitearmy Leaf Saber dual blower system for the Z6. First of all, it is primarily made of 4-inch PVC waste drain pipe right here. You can see this is the drain pipe. There's also some elbows I used, one here, one down there, and some 90s right here to connect the blowers. Now, the other thing you'll need to build this is some black pipe. This is 1/2-inch black pipe that goes right in there and holds it to the Z6 mower. All right, guys, so if you're blown away by this video, if you're doubly blown away by this video, make sure you give me a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and when you're done with that, go and check out that video right there.